Every child is like a seed, waiting to bloom with the right mix of love, patience, and guidance. Growth is a journey, and with each challenge they face, each lesson they learn, they stretch higher, reaching for the sky. Greatness doesn't happen overnight, it blossoms over time. And that's exactly what we're trying to do, create a space where kids and communities can grow, dream, and blossom. This is Udar Foundation, where our journey begins. Now let's make you all a part of this incredible experience we have named Arohan.
After exploring numerous potential sites, we found Udar Foundation. The Udar Foundation, true to its name, showed incredible generosity, offering its support to bring our project to life.
उदार फाउंडेशन एक विचार है जो हम लोगों ने 5 साल पहले सोचा था कि जो हम लोगों को मिला वो मैं और बच्चों तक पहुंचाऊं। तो हम लोगों ने 20 बच्चों के साथ शुरू किया था। आज 200 से अधिक बच्चे शिक्षा ग्रहण कर रहे हैं।
It all began with a lot of brainstorming. The site, a humble 9 by 4 meter rectangle. Every masterpiece starts with a blank canvas. Sketches flying, ideas flowing, and the occasional, wait, how do we build that? Most materials, recycled. We searched homes, markets, construction sites, and even junkyards for wood, metal, bricks, or anything that we could repurpose. Our goal? An eco-friendly, cost-effective design. With each brainstorm, the vision grew clearer. A space that was functional, sustainable, and impressive.
Once the design was locked in, the real grind kicked off. First, we leveled the terrain. Because like any well-designed structure, a stable foundation requires precise alignment. Then we marked the site and calculated the depth of the foundations. Next came the digging. We carefully excavated the site to the required depth. We then made brick bags and packed them into the foundation, compacting the layer using an earth ramp. On the other hand, PCC was mixed and prepared to create a solid base, while the columns were carefully marked and cut to the required dimensions. The columns were drilled in the beginning to ensure they fit perfectly and were ready to be installed securely into the structure. After that, we reinforced the foundation with steel bars and solidified it with concrete, ensuring this place could handle anything. Then came the fun part, erecting columns and beams. We put up the framework, using bamboo to try and support everything. We leveled the beams using a water-level pipe, then marked, drilled, and fixed them securely. Slowly, the structure started to take shape. You're probably wondering why bamboo, because it's strong, stylish, basically the MVP of sustainable construction.
We began by outlining the edges with bricks and leveling the ground with a screed mix of cement and badarpur. The screed was spread, leveled, and tile pieces were carefully stuck in place with cement slurry. Then a pattern was drawn on the ground using chuna and broken tiles were prepared nearby. Slowly but surely, our mural came to life. Plastic mats or chatais were placed and tied to the bamboo beam grid using binding wire over which tarpaulin was placed and tied. This dual-layer approach ensured both visual appeal and protection to the structure. The finishing touches were the cherry on top. The back wall, adorned with a stunning rope mural of the sun, symbolizing warmth, hope, and infinite potential. Bamboo grids were added to give the space a rustic, homey vibe, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. We also put in benches that can easily accommodate 40-45 students, making sure there's plenty of space for everyone. They're not just practical, but it added a nice cozy touch to the space too. We made a shoe rack which kept the shoes and dirt outside. The interactive walls became instant conversation starters. We made an abacus from bamboo which turned counting fun and easy. We got the kids to doodle on the back wall, adding a playful touch and making them feel part of the space. We also got our very own tic-tac-toe made from empty paint cans. Then there's the buzz wire. Touch the wire, it buzzes. And trust me, it's trickier than it seems.
और इस मल्टीपर्पज हॉल के बनने के बाद अब हमारे 70 से अधिक बच्चे जो एडवांस इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं और एक साथ बैठ के क्लास में ले सीखते हैं। और उसके बाद फाउंडेशन में डांस क्लासेस चलती हैं। उसके लिए हमारे पास कोई रूम नहीं था, कोई जगह नहीं थी। हम मल्टीपर्पज हॉल में इसमें हम लोग डांसिंग क्लासेस भी, म्यूजिक की क्लासेस भी बहुत अच्छे से चलेंगे।
This is just the grand opening. Who needs Buckingham when you got a place like this? After months of sweat, snacks, and a whole lot of, can we really pull this off? We did it. That empty plot of land? Yeah, it's now a buzzing, beautiful space full of life, creativity, joy, and laughter. The smiles on the kids' faces, priceless. Arohan isn't just a structure. It's proof that teamwork and a few happy accidents create magic. It's to move dreams, growth, and movements that make us all feel like royalty. On a budget.